Welcome, now I'm gonna show you how to disable music in Speed Freaks Warhammer game. Firstly, you should click on the gear icon to open the main menu, then in the main menu choose settings, then just here you can see audio, so click on it. Scroll down and here as you can see we can mute all sounds, but we don't want to do that. Mute sound effects. No, we wanna mute music or just change music level to 10% for example. But no, I wanna mute music in my game. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.